English Department, College of Languages, University of Sulaimany. Usually, it's referred to as the English Department. However, the accurate and complete title for the department is English Language and Literature. That's because our curriculum integrates both linguistic studies and literary analysis. In linguistics, students engage with core areas such as phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics. Meanwhile, poetry, drama, novel, and literary criticism are among the subjects covered through various literary periods throughout history.
Besides studying grammar and following some specific textbooks, students will master the English language while engaging deeply with cultural awareness, literature, language, history, and human experiences. If you're someone who is passionate about reading and writing, whether as reader or writer, or if you enjoy thinking critically or seeing the world from several perspectives or analyze literary texts, here is what you explore in this department. All the courses are well designed to help students build their skills regarding the four language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And the goal is to help students think critically, write professionally, and communicate effectively. For example, the research assignment and writing project further encourage students to become independent thinkers and express their ideas clearly. Because of that approach, it helps you to promote your both academic success and personal growth. So here students will not just learn about the language, they learn how to use it and make a difference.
Apart from professional skills and university work environment courses, which include practical work, all of the other courses and modules in the department are delivered theoretically in the class. Depending on the nature of the linguistics and literature classes offered, various teaching styles such as demonstration, fast later, and hybrid are used by the teaching staff. The official language of instruction in the department is English. However, French modules taught in the second stage are delivered in French, and codology modules taught in the first stage are delivered in Kurdish. Students are assessed through assignments, essays, presentations, quizzes, midterm and final examinations.
By the time of graduation, students will have developed the ability to express their ideas through both oral and written English, allowing them to communicate effectively in English-speaking context. Furthermore, graduates will demonstrate the ability to critically analyze and interpret literary texts from various periods using appropriate theories and techniques. They will also have a thorough understanding of how language functions, with the ability to analyze linguistic structures and patterns using relevant theories, concepts, and methodologies from major schools of linguistics. With the knowledge and these skills gains, graduates will be well prepared to pursue careers in teaching, writing, translation, and even media. So, if you're planning to join us, get ready to grow, not just as a student, but as a communicator and a future professional.